All right, welcome back. I'm Tim, and this is episode 11, Automation of a Beginner's Guide to Conversion Optimization. We're discussing how to design a website that converts traffic to leads. And today we're getting into automation. But here's the thing. You know this is episode 11 of 12 of a 12-part series. So there's only one more episode, guys. So what does that mean? That means subscribe so that you get access when the next series is released. You'll get a notification. And so you get notified of all the videos we're going to do in between, right? The other thing is comment below. Share some comments. Tell us what you like. Tell us what you didn't like. Ask questions. Tell us how we can improve and make this better. Tell us what you want to hear more information about, right? We want to hear from you. So go ahead and comment below. And then lastly, share this. Share this with your marketing teams. Share this with your marketing VP. Share this with your boss, a CEO. Share this with your sales teams. Just share this within your team, whether it's your freelancer or a web designer. Get it in there, get it out there so that everyone's on the same page with the same strategy, speaking the same language and moving towards the same goal. Want everybody rowing in the same direction. Why? Because this is how we build websites and marketing that work, that deliver results time and time again. And I'm going to get off my soapbox there a little bit, but like I said, this is episode 11, one more left. I'm excited to share with you about automation. So let's get rolling. So what is marketing automation, to be specific? Well, here's a definition for you. Marketing automation is the use of technology or software to manage marketing processes, multifunctional campaigns, and repetitive tasks across multiple channels automatically. Well, what does that mean for you? It means no more manually doing the mundane task. It means the software can do them for you. It means the software can send them the email nurturing sequence or send them the emails. It means the software can move them somewhere, send them a blog post and all these different things. And I don't want to steal thunder for the presentation, but as you can see, I get excited about this. And so let's talk about what you should automate really quickly and why I'm getting excited. So for starters, you should automate the offer. And it's not listed here, but when someone downloads your offer, when they fill out that form, the software should move them to the next page where they can either download that or it should send them an email where they can click on a link in the email automatically to download that. If you're pouring traffic into your site and your landing pages and you're getting a lot of conversions, if you're getting hundreds, thousands of conversions, there's no way you're going to be able to manually send everyone the link to your offer every single time they download it in a reasonable amount of time. Automation solves for that. Automation allows us to send nurturing email sequences and text, allows us to build out automated chat bots where people can kind of click on an answer, a predetermined answer, and get information about that thing and then get moved to a real person. When they need a real person, there's just really cool things, and I want to deep dive on that right now. Maybe we'll do another video about that. Put a comment in the chat if you want to hear more about chatbot automation. But so you can also do sales emails and text and sales sequences and follow-up emails and text so that your sales team can pre-write a bunch of emails, send out hundreds of emails a day that go to individuals. And then when someone replies, they can jump into all of those various conversations as if they were sending the email organically anyway. So it feels very natural. And we can get into sales sequences and email sequences and sales sequence automation in another video as well. And if you want to hear about that, put that comment in chat and we'll see about that. So all of these things can be done and so much more. You can even automate your onboarding process. And that's a little bit off topic. Maybe we'll definitely bring that up in another video series. And if you want to hear about how you can automate onboarding, say that in chat and we'll keep that moving and we'll deliver on those. So those are just some things I pulled out really quickly that I think you might find interesting. But let's keep moving forward in conversion optimization and automation. So why should you automate? Here are all the reasons I get excited about automation, as you can hear in my voice and probably see on my face, right? So one, it saves time. Time is extremely valuable, can't get it back. And you would think with technology, smartphones, and all these things, we would have more time. But the truth is we're more distracted than ever. You know, we're being consumed by social media and our devices because we're so connected now. So we need everything we can to save time, and automation does this for us. What else does it do? It ensures steps aren't skipped in your process, right? A human might look at something and because of their limited time, decide that this step's not so important, we can skip it. And it kills your conversion. where automation is going to do the same process every single time without skipping steps. It's pretty cool, right? It's also going to create a measurable process because it's running through software that's tracking how people engage throughout every step of the automation, as well as what's delivering the best result for you. So you get to see some attribution as well on your sales, which is pretty cool. The other thing is it creates a consistent user experience. So you know that everyone who's receiving your automation, whether it's in sales, whether it's on the chat bot, whether it's in an email sequence or whatever it is, they're getting the same information and the same experience. So your brand experience is aligned, which is awesome. So that's it, guys. This is why I get excited about automation. Does a lot, pretty high level here. There's so much more we can talk about with workflows and sequences and different automation tools and software. We're going to end it right here. This is episode 11, automation, automation. And now we're going to talk about our next steps in episode 12 and just talk about what you should do with all this information. So here's the thing. You know the drill. If you want to capture this or download this in a PDF format, links below in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Bye now.